Welcome to my channel, viewers and subscriber. DJ Invader, or you can say Invader. Yeah man, blessings people. It's not gonna be a long one soon, but just make it quick and fast. Wanna see how Jamaican P deal with him fans and him subscriber them. Wanna see how disrespectful Jamaican P is to him fans and all I'm subscriber them. Wanna take notes, when I'm fans them do a video and say, yo, you feel cool off of certain things and you can't call up everybody name and thing and ray. And the man make a video and how the man go on and I disrespect him. Same fans them will put him which part him there, Same subscriber them will put him which part him there, them disrespect them and tell them, oh, him no want nobody tell him nothing and them figure suck out them mama. And him no cater on a one way in a film community and one way out. Like, listen, big man. Anybody can give you their opinion and things. You're a comedian on social media and people will give you bad comments and good comments, but it's how you react to it. Now listen as a big man, or the big man a go on and I tell the brother what do the video or him figure suck out him mama and him I go start block some of him subscriber them. But I make him treat so with no respect. No respect at all. I make him treat him so because I'm tell you what people. I do a video about the lady where him disrespect and from then him a reply and I go on and me a throw back shot. Right? And no fine fans them not really looking at the thing and say, January. Just take a time and listen what me I say and look into things that we are talking about are things that were cause the so-called feud. Right? No, not do that, just jump up and I say, yo, y'all look views off a Jamaican P. Y'all look a hype off a Jamaican P. People, come on. Come on now, people. I sound a fool, I'm blind, so the man I behave. I'm not saying that you guys not supposed to say what you want to say or do what you want to do. It's a free country, everybody entitled to what they want to do. But him too disrespectful, and him a walk, and him a disrespect people, and him just scroll up on social media and just think for this a one ya, and this a one ya, and this. I'm see him do a video about the angel and our son that, do back some good give back deeds, and I really love that. Big up yourself, angel. See? And him a talk about the little boy if he grow with him father. Else man a go start fuck him. No, come on now. Yeah, every son need them father. But why you have to go so far and create this controversy and a disrespect and go on with the bag of things, and then the people them will subscribe to him channel. Yes, Jamaican P. Yes, come on. There's a lot of vloggers out there. There's a lot of people on the internet do them thing. You understand? But him is a crazy person. He's a crazy person. He's a crazy lonely person. Shit. Come on. Damn, man. He's a crazy person. But you don't know still people. This channel is going to be my cooking channel, right? Because I'm doing a lot of cooking and all of that. You understand? Yeah, about to open, soon to be open my my own place. I'm currently working with somebody right now at the moment, but just subscribe for more content, and if you see what you like, you can just subscribe. DJ Invader, it not cost you nothing. Man, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so as I put up a content or a video or whatsoever, you'll be notified when I do it. And you can leave a comment below and tell me what type of food you would like to see me prepare, whether it's oxtail fry. I will do it. I'm bringing my thing to the table, my cooking channel. So if you feel free and you can say, oh, you can cook this, feel free, leave a comment below. You understand? Blessings. Yeah, man.